In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to preview customization for objects. By the end, you'll know exactly how to tailor the preview layout for your CRM records so your team sees the most important details at a glance. You'll need access to your HubSpot portal with permissions to adjust object settings. Start by heading to your trial guide. This is your jumping off point inside the portal and helps you reach the right configuration area quickly. If you have it bookmarked, open it from there. If not, navigate through your portal's menu to the guide section. Make sure you're in the correct account where you intend to make these changes. Next, click on Settings. You'll usually find the gear icon in the top navigation. This takes you into the global settings area, where all record level and object level controls live. From the settings sidebar, click on Objects. Objects are the record types your team works with every day, such as contacts, companies, deals, or tickets. Choosing objects ensures you're adjusting layouts that affect how records look and feel for your users. Now, select Preview Customization. This section controls what users see in the record preview. Think of the quick snapshot that appears when you hover, open a side panel, or scan a board view. Preview customization lets you decide which details surface first, reducing clicks and helping reps prioritize faster. Choose Create Team View. A team view lets you tailor the preview for a specific group, so sales, service, or success can each see what matters most to them. This is helpful if different teams rely on different properties. Keep your naming clear and consistent so it's easy to manage later. In the Layout Editor, click the plus sign to add a card. Cards are modular sections that hold properties and related info. Add the cards that surface the essentials, key properties like lifecycle stage, owner, phone or email, recent activity, or associations such as company or deals. Keep the preview focused. Include what someone needs to qualify, route, or follow up, and avoid clutter. As you add cards, watch the preview to confirm the order and content feel right. If your editor supports dragging, arrange cards so the highest value details sit at the top. Consider the team's daily workflow. What do they check first, every time? When you're satisfied, click Save and Exit. Your team view is now ready. Open a sample record to confirm the preview displays as expected. If something looks off, return to Preview Customization to fine-tune. Iterating a couple of times is normal. That's it. You've configured a focused, team-ready preview that brings the right information front and center, saving time and driving consistency across your CRM.